That was a tufted titmouse. So I have learned that the blackbirds with the iridescent heads, that little guy back there, those are the common grackles. Cardinal came back, so I didn't scare him too much. Cardinal's over there. So you'll notice that I moved everything, and you'll notice there's a sound in the background because they're mowing today. They're mowing today. And last time they mowed, he didn't want me to move the stuff. Well, I only had one thing at that time. I've since put quite a bit more. And I actually want them to mow because the birds are disappearing into the grass because it's so high. So yeah, I want them to mow, and then I will put everything back. It has been interesting to watch the birds navigate the new feeding area, but they're still coming in and getting stuff. Sawyer is working on our lunch here. I've got some butter beans and some corn, and he's about to drop the angel hair pasta for us. Yep, he's gonna have some cabbage that he prepared before. I didn't do any more of the puzzle yet, but I got some books. We went to Ollie's, and yeah, waiting for him to finish mowing, and then I can put all the bird stuff back up again. But I wanted to show you guys that. And we got to see some of the birds come and do their thing on the new temporary setup. Sawyer and I have been taking the day off, and I will be back streaming tomorrow doing deliveries.